look how real this GPS thing is. It's got the water moving. Look at that. I don't know why I'm just noticing that. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, so I'm out here. I just cleaned up the car, right? So I'm deciding that I gotta do something to this car, bro. And I know I've been talking about it for a minute, but the main thing is I gotta do something right here. I gotta put, what's on my RT, it said charger right here. So I gotta put something in my door sills, bro. Cause this joint is bare as a mug. Nothing right there. So it's definitely time to, I gotta personalize this car some more. It's just too plain. Even though this joint clean, don't get me wrong, but I gotta personalize this joint a little bit more. Just finished vacuuming this joint out. I gotta take a little better care of this car, bro. I just been driving it. I told y'all I've been daily driving this joint. So I gotta personalize this car. I don't know, y'all tell me what y'all would do. I need y'all input, but I don't wanna do too much. I'm not about to put a bunch of stickers on here. I don't even have my Instagram or nothing on my car. There's nothing wrong with that, but in my experience, it really don't bring any more traffic to your social media, for real, for real. It just make it where people can notice you even more. That's all it really does. For me, that's what I found to happen. Just people know who you are. And I'm not real big on being, you know, popular. I don't really care about that. I like when people say, hey, you know, I watch your videos. I appreciate that, but I'm not a big, I'm not trying to be no celebrity or nothing like that. I'm telling y'all, man, I really enjoyed driving this car. And if you think about getting one, man, you definitely should get one. This car is a lot of fun. All right, guys, let's pull out of here, man. Y'all, I just got kicked out of this car wash because they said I gotta buy a car wash to use a vacuum. That's crazy, man. I mean, I get it. But anyway, guys, driving this car is a lot of fun, man. It's a whole lot of fun. Put this joint in. Custom. Of course that. Of course I like the sound. Hope they ain't too loud, guys. I got the sunroof open. I'm just out enjoying my scat, man. It's a lot of times I'm riding around, I don't really enjoy the car like I'm supposed to. Like I said, I try not to do too much, you know, reckless or irresponsible stuff in this car, but to keep it 100 with y'all, it's hard not to get on it a little bit here and there because this car is just so much fun. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we're going to talk about this 2022 Dodge Charger refresh. And the thumbnail tells it all, bro. It's not going to be a refresh for 2022. The car's going to stay the same. They're not going to do a redesign until 2024. I know you've been seeing a lot of pictures of all these different cars that people claim are going to be the refresh. This is going to happen, that's going to happen. There's no refresh for 22, not even 23. You got to think about this. When the pandemic hit, there were a lot of cars that were on order. A lot of people are still waiting for their cars to be delivered. I think it would be a slap in the face for them to change their car right now. Considering there's still a lot of people waiting to get this model, the wide body, the new front face that looks just like the Durango. I think to Dodge, that's the refresh. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to completely change this car no time soon. Right now, Stellantis, however you want to pronounce it, they focus on the EVs. The EV will be a completely different car. They're not going to change the interior. They're not going to do none of that stuff. The only thing that they're going to change for 22 is they're going to come with their new security system. Other than that, I don't see anything else changing. There's no new colors, there's no nothing. But like I said, it just don't make sense for them to change the car right now, because technically this wide body is a redesign. And they're still, like I said before, still waiting to get this car. And yes, the interior is outdated, but at the same time, it's still nice. The Uconnect system still works perfectly. So they really don't have a need to change this car right now. I personally don't think they should do too much to the outside to change it. I mean, this car looks good just like it is, bro. Now, one thing I would suggest, if they were to change something, and I said it before in one of my other videos, is yes, put the bigger screen in here with the updated Uconnect system. Maybe come out with a couple different colors. Maybe bring back some colors that they discontinued, like the Jazz Blue. I really like that color. Some different wheels, something like that. But a completely different car or redesign is not gonna happen in 22. And maybe an interior update in 23. But that's about it. Because if you look around online, you can already see where they're starting to advertise 2022 Dodge Chargers, and nothing's changed. Like I said, it's going to come with the updated security, and that's for the Scat Packs and the HELLCAT. But other than that, that's it. There's no updates. So I'm just, I just wanted to make this video because I see, and it's nothing wrong. I mean, a lot of people are speculating what's about to be, what's changing, and what may be new. But it's just all speculation at this point. And there's nothing wrong with, making videos and, speculating what may be new, because there's a lot of renderings out there, a lot of different, photos being leaked and a lot of different pictures. People are making their own redesigns and saying this is a 2022. And I mean, that's just how the internet works. It's been like that forever. But if you really do some research, nothing is changing right now. Especially right now with this chip shortage. They're not even trying to do anything different. They want to just, because they can't even do anything. So a lot of things that a lot of other brands are starting to delete certain options in cars because of this chip shortage. And yes, things are starting to pick up a little bit, but with this hurricane that just came through, now that kind of delayed a lot of things. So it's just a lot of things working against the car industry right now. So nobody's really doing a whole bunch of changes, especially Dodge. We got a couple more years left for the V8s. These V8s aren't going anywhere for the next few years. That's why you got so many people still placing orders. You got a lot of people paying over sticker to get one of these cars because they can really discontinue these V8s. So for Dodge to change them right now, they're going to lose money. And trust me, people not in business to lose money. What changes I would like to see, and like I said, I would like the updated interior, maybe a few tweaks to the rims and colors. But as far as like a complete redesign of the Dodge Chargers and Challengers, maybe they would do a updated exterior of the Challenger, but their car is known for its retro, old school look. So I don't see them really doing too much more to change that. They already added the wide body. Now the wide body option has been available for the Challenger for a while. They did the wide body on the Challenger before the Chargers. So I can see the Challenger lovers too. They probably are eager for a new redesign for that car. Maybe just an update. But there's no new redesign for the 2022 Charger. It's not gonna happen. So people are waiting around, trying to see if there's a refresh before you buy one of these cars. I say go ahead and put in an order. There's nothing to wait for. If you want one, go ahead and get it. Because if you're buying a used one, you're gonna pay extra for it. That's just where the market is right now. But leave your comments, guys. I'm not an expert. That's just my theory. That's just how I feel about it. I just don't see where it makes sense for them to change the car right now, especially since the wide body for the Charger, they just released that in 2020. That was only a year ago. It wouldn't make sense for them to completely change the car right now, because people are in love with this wide body, I'm telling you. And people are waiting to get their hands on these cars. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. That's just my opinion. I don't work for Dodge. I don't know, but I'm in love with my Scat Pack wide body. I mean, like I said before, people say the interior is outdated only because it's looked the same for so long, but it's nice. I got the leather dash. this car, the interior in this car is nice, bro. It's really nice, and I see why people are still buying this car. Dodge are making a kill. They making a killing off these cars. You know what I'm saying? The sales are not down for these joints. The demand is high. You know what I mean? The demand is high for these cars. They are not going to change these cars in 22. They still got back orders. So if this is the first time on my channel, man, hit the like button. I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. I just wanted to get my little 2 cents. People been DMing me and asking me, what about the 2022? It's gonna be the same exact car. The only difference is the alarm system. It will come with that updated alarm system. That's it. And that's only available for the Scat Packs and the Hellcat. You'll still be able to get all the other trims, the XXTs, the GTs, you know, the Scat Pack, wide body, Hellcats, the Red Eye. All of those cars are still available. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Are they gonna do anything different for 22? Maybe you know something I don't know. Hit the like button and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.